Bro, if you want make your success make you really shock people, I mean all those kind of achievements wey be say if people discover say you get them, they will shock. I'll give you the scope for this video. Learn how to disguise. You see that phase where you say, man, you still dey build, more of like you dey build, you dey get am clear, like things don dey gather, your funds don dey stack. You understand? Maybe if you dey like this before, it don dey like this, it don dey like this, it don dey like this. Learn how to disguise, like say you no dey. Make them find out by themselves, say, man, now done, now they roll it. The thing go shock them. It go be like saying they pour cold water for their body. I know they tell you, bro, learn how to disguise. As that funds they come, behave like say nothing they saw. Just they do on a low key, like say nothing that they happen. Until they go finally realize, say, man, the person way then they follow, they run things, you don't go far. You think they shock people, They shock people like saying high attention. I know they tell you. Because now this one be the problem where you say a lot of them they face. The moment where you say small money just they enter, now go one advertise on ego. Now go one they show instantly. Say man, phones all they enter. Now why many of them begin to receive some kind of temptation, we drag on and go down again. So if they make that mistake, not they make that mistake, learn to disguise. But still, for those of you now, if you say I dey carry the talk, just listen to Sir Vindambu for this video. If you grab one or two, just listen to this video.
Never post your achievements on social media. Post alcohol, post jokes, and post memes so that they think that you have no future. People hate progress, succeed in silence. Remember, they can't destroy what they don't know. Human beings can be animals and evil. Protect what you have.
Because whether you like them or not, the truth can be say, the goal now for you to make yourself happy. The goal now for you to satisfy yourself. The goal now for you to achieve your dreams. Not be to please people. You understand? Not be to show off. Now, more people now they show off. But people will be say they actually understand what they define for life. Now to achieve their dreams, their goals, and the day after. So learn to the disguise. Especially that phase where you say you just begin to stack money. Learn to disguise. Do like say no day. Do like say you see they come up until they realize say you never reach there. You understand? That kind of success, they shock people well. I don't go lie. So you will hear this video. I beg, share it to your guys. Share out to your guys, because some of your guys now they lose guy. As money that they corner, they want to show off. Because you say if you not get anything to gain, if you be say the higher goal that they try to advertise, that contract then go down. Understand? You say if you don't go happy now, Abi, I bet you say share out to them. Maybe if you grab one or two from this video. And you say put more for this matter. May we know how you said. See ya. Peace.